Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim, co-founder of Thumbnail Maker Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to edit your thumbnails. So when you generate your thumbnails, there's going to be three functions: edit, duplicate, and download. So, obviously editing allows you to edit the thumbnail, duplicates this thumbnail, and then downloads the thumbnail so you can upload it to your YouTube studio. So what you do here is you just click edit. You'll be taken into our editor. One thing you could do if you want to see the full thumbnail is just zoom out real quick. And then within the thumbnail, there's going to be three different layers. So the one is the background, which is back here. The second thing is the text, which is here. And then the third element is the actually talking head. Each one of these elements you can change. So for the text and the head, I could actually move things around if you want. Same thing with the head. And then for the background, you can just change the color. So a few things of how you can do this. So, let's say you're not happy with the background, or you want to change it to a different color. You can just go up here, set background color, change that to whatever color you'd like. The other element of what you could do is, change the text. So you can move the text around like I mentioned, or you can edit the text to whatever else you want it to be. That's one element. Right here, you can change the font size, the spacing, whether you want it bold, italicized, underlined, what the alignment you want is, the font color, all these different elements to get your text, in the perfect state. You can do that. You can also add your own text box. If you want to add another text box, you can do that. And then right here, when you go to the image, you can actually move the image around, or let's say you're not happy with it. You can just delete it just by clicking the delete button. And then what you can do is go to here, add or upload images, in which you can upload your own image, or you can bring in an image that already exists. So if I bring in an image, let's say like this one, and I want this to be the face instead, I can just delete this person. And then what you can do when you bring in an image is just click on this remove background right here. And what this will do is remove the background associated with the image, so you just have a silhouette of the person. So that's those elements. So like I said, you can set the background color, add text. You can upload images if you want. You can add basic shapes. So like if you want a triangle, square, or circle, you can do that. Another thing you can do is if you don't want the changes, you can just click this undo or redo button, and that'll save things automatically for you. The last element is once you're done with everything, you just click this save button if you want the changes that you made saved. And then what you could do is download it. If you don't want any changes saved, just click this exit button. You'll be taken back to the screen where you can then just download the thumbnail and upload it to your YouTube studio. But that is essentially how you use our editor. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, other things you can do is upload your brand kit, just so you know. So if you have a logo that you like, that you want in every thumbnail, you can just upload it here. And then every time you generate, we'll include that in the thumbnail. But that essentially is how you edit your thumbnails on Thumbnail Maker. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.